and you have to see where they are now as well as where they expect to be in the future, because it's not uncommon with someone, here in this life cycle to go from, say they're making 20 grand in income one year and they suddenly hit that, curve of the hockey stick, and year 2 here they're doing over 100 grand in profit.
Yeah, that's a good client to have.
Yeah,
I usually like to, for my own businesses, I lose about 40 to 50,000 right here.
Right. Yeah, so then somewhere in here is probably going to make sense to make that S corporation election. And this scenario here, it would be, within the first 3 years and 75 days that the typical late S corporation election falls under.
3 years and 75
days.
That's very specific.
Yeah.
Okay.
Off the top of my head, I do not have the rev proc, but it's 2013 dash something. But,
okay, that's good enough.
Good enough. But anyway, so just more, it's knowing the 3 years and 75 days where you can typically get that late S election. So somewhere in here during this year, if they determine that makes sense to do an S election, they could make that, and they typically would get that without any, any additional challenges or obstacles.